Good morning, students. As already we started this lesson, making new friends at school. So I explain you this one. First page is over, page number 49. Manura actually is giving his introduction and he is informing about himself. Then he is asking with his friends. So friends are Tinku and Sonu. This page was over. Now here, this was Neeta Khanna. She gave her name and she informed where she stay and how old she is. Like this way, we completed this page number 50 also. And these exercises also I gave you. And today we will do from this page number 52. So students, so this page we will start now, page number 52. Okay, here now you see this is the picture of a classroom. Yes, na? Yes, this is the picture of a classroom. So when we just go inside the classroom, teacher asks us something. So we have to introduce ourselves. How we are going to introduce ourselves? By giving our name, how old we are, how many brothers and sisters do we have. Like this way, everyone has to give their own introduction. So now you see here, the first one is hi, I'm Ankit. Who is here? I am Ankit. Now you see, in this arrow also, you can see this boy says, this boy name is Ankit. And he says, I am 6 years old. How old he is? 6 years old. I have a brother and a sister. Who is telling here? Ankit. Ankit says he is 6 years old. It means like you only, even now you are 6 years old. Yes. So here Ankit is also 6 years old. And Ankit has one brother and one sister. Okay. And he always love to play. Okay. What he do? He always love to play. Who? Ankit. As everyone got their own hobbies. Okay? Everyone got their own hobbies. So here Ankit says he is 6 years old and he have one brother and a sister and he always like to play only. Now next here, who is telling here? Here he is Pankaj. What he says? Hi. Means when we just meet our friends. Huh? So what we'll say? Hi, hello. We say na? Yes, even you also say na like this way? Yes, these are the good manners. We have to respect and we have to give respect to our friends also. So when we just meet our friends, so we say hi. So here Pankaj is also telling the same thing. Hi, I am Pankaj. So you see, they both gave the introduction. Who? This boy is Ankit and this is Pankaj. Now, this girl, look at in this picture. What she says? Hi, Jaya. What is her name? Jaya. And how old she is? Even she is also 6 years old. Yes. Now you see here this girl. This girl says, "Hi, I am Tina." Huh? What she says here? I am Tina. I am in class 1. Now you see how they are giving their introduction. And here this boy says, "Hi, I am John. I am 6 years old." Now, how many students you find in this picture? Yes, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see, they all are standing in one classroom and they are introducing themselves. A teacher is also there. So the first boy, his name is Pankaj. Okay? Boy name is Pankaj and here is Ankit and they all are 6 years old and Ankit have one brother and one sister. Understood? Now the girl name is Jaya. Jaya and she is also 6 years old. Here this boy is John and the girl here is Tina. Even they all are in first standard and 6 years old. Now you see 5 students are there. This is backside you can see a blackboard. It means this is a classroom. Yes, yeah? Yes. So students, have you understood how to introduce ourselves? We have to introduce ourselves by telling our name, age, brothers and sisters, and where you stay. Yes, ma'am. So you can write it about yourself. Try at least. Okay. So now this one we understood how to introduce ourselves and they give their introduction. But today I want your introduction. So how you are going to write it? You have to write your name. Then how old are you? Then how many brothers and sisters you have? Fourth one is how many members are there in your home and your address. Okay, this you can write it now. Yes, it is so easy. You can write it. Now in this next exercise of page number 52 only, what it is mentioned, introduce a friend to your neighbor. Now you see, when you just go to school, you find so many friends. Yes, ma'am? Yes. So when we find so many friends, so what we have to do? If suppose they come to our place for playing with us, so our neighbors will ask, na? Yes, they'll ask. So we have to introduce. How we will give introduce? He is, you can say na. Now you see here neighbor is sitting. So how you are going to introduce your friend? You have to say, he is my friend, Mohan. Or you can write any name. He is 6 years old. Okay? He is my classmate. We play together. Like this way, you can introduce your friend also. Can you do this, Tina? Yes, you can do this. So, this is oral information. I said you can write about your own friend. If you are unable to write about your own friend, if you are unable to introduce your friend to your neighbor, I will write and give you. Okay? So, shall we turn to page number 53? Yes. Now you see page number 53. In this page number, so many pictures you can see. Yes, na? Is it clear? Of all animals. Yes, na? So, but don't be in a confusion. All their names are given in this box. Yes, you have to identify the pictures and search their names in this box and fill this blanks. Yes, it is so simple. You can write it. Yes, na? Yes, now you see, but here what they all are doing? Even they are introducing themselves. Like you only all. They are introducing that. That's why here what here it is written. You see, I am a. What we will write here? See the picture? Yes, it's a lion. So here, where is the lion written? Yes, here it is written lion. So what you will write in this blank? Lion. I am a lion. Yes, in this next picture, what you will write? I am a. What here it is? What you are going to write? Search, search, search. Look at the picture. Tell me, yes. Who will give me the answer? Yes, right, absolutely. It's a parrot. You see here it is written parrot. So what you have to write here? Parrot. Okay. The next one is I am a. Tell me, after seeing picture, is anything new you want to give him as he is giving his introduction? Yes, it's a cat. Yes, yes, it's a cat. And I am a mouse. I am a mouse. And I am a cow. I am a cow. I am a goat. Yes, I am a rabbit. I am a dog. And here last but not the least, I am a hen. Yes, so like this way, even you can fill these blanks and write it. Okay, now this page number 53 is over. Yes, we will move to now page number. Yes, here this is page number 54. Some exercises are there. What we have to do? We have to put he and she. How we will use he and she? For boys, we have to put he. Yes, boys को हम लोग he लगाते हैं ना. Always we don't use the name. Yes or not? We say no, no. What we will do, instead of putting the name, we write here he. Yes, na? For example, you see here, Kabir is a boy. Dash is my friend. So what you will write here? He is my friend. Once again we will write Kabir is my friend. Kabir is playing. Kabir is eating. Kabir is dancing. We say like this? No. So how we will do here? Kabir is a boy. So always we are not supposed to use the word Kabir, Kabir, Kabir. So what we are using here? He. For boys or for a man, we are using he. Okay, so what we are here supposed to write? Kabir is a boy. He is my friend. For boys or for a man, we use he. And for girl or for a woman, we use she. Okay, instead of using a name. Okay, so here the next one is Sujata is my friend. So what you will write here, students? Just now I explain you. Yes, you will write here she instead of writing सुजाता. बार बार लड़कों को या कोई पर्सन को हम लोग बार बार उसका नाम नहीं लेते, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? ही. अगर बॉय है या मैन है तो हम क्या यूज करते? ही. अगर गर्ल है और वो या तो वो वुमेन है तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? शी. आया समझ में? तो हम लोग बार बार उनका नाम ना यूज करके हम यूज करते हैं ही और शी. Understood, students? Yes. So here Sujata is a girl name na. So for girls what we have to use here? She. What you will write here? She is a singer. Now the next one is Pooja is 4 years old. Dash is Anurag's sister. So what we will write here? She, because here Pooja is whose sister? अनुराग सिस्टर. पूजा किसकी सिस्टर है? अनुराग की. तो हम किसके बारे में लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर? पूजा के बारे में. हाउ ओल्ड पूजा इज? शी इज 4 years old and she is Anurag's sister. So what here in this third fill in the blank, what we are going to write? She. Okay. Now here Ranjan Joshi is Anurag's father. Okay. Ranjan Joshi, Anurag's father. Okay. Ranjan Joshi is Anurag's father. Anurag's father name is Ranjan Joshi. Anurag's father name is Ranjan Joshi and he is a doctor. What we will write here? He. Anurag's father is a doctor and Anurag's father name is Ranjan Joshi. So here we have to write he. Now the next blank is Mrs. Rao is my neighbor. Mrs. Rao is a neighbor. But here what we will write? She is a teacher. She is a teacher. You understood how to put he and she for girls, or for a woman we use she, and for boy or a man we use he. Understood, students? Yes. Shall we move to a next exercise? Yes. Fill in the missing letters. Now you see here some letters are written and some are missing. Here also written and missing. Here also written and missing. Like this way here 2 words are given and we have to fill this missing letters where it is missing. Now you just use your brain and which words you want to write to make a complete word. If you want to complete this word, you have to write here the name. Means then only here it becomes a complete word. Yes or not? Yes. So what you are going to write? Do you have any idea? Huh? Tell me, do you have any idea? If you don't have, so use your brain and fill this 2 words by using the proper missing letters. Now we will move to a next activity. Put these words in alphabetical order. In a alphabetical order we have to put. For example, see here Kabir, Sujata, Anurag, Pooja and Geeta. So you just see the first letter of Kabir is K, Sujata is S, A, Anurag, P, P for Puja, G for Gita. So what you have to do in this exercise, you have to see which letter comes first in our alphabetical order. So you know the alphabets A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the alphabet, okay, and in a proper order. So here you have to find out which word comes first. You have to go through their first alphabet. First alphabet here as A, you know. So what you are going to write? A. So here it comes a first word of Anurag. आपको देखना है कि इनका पहला लेटर जो है इस वर्ड्स का वो किससे स्टार्ट होता है. तो ये स्टार्ट होता है ए से. तो हमारी अल्फाबेट कहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है? ए से. तो हमको सबसे पहला नाम क्या लिखना है यहाँ पर? अनुराग. फिर बी कोई वर्ड नहीं है, सी नहीं है, डी नहीं है, ई, एफ, जी. यस. तो अब हमारा जी से आता है. तो हम अनुराग के बाद क्या लिखेंगे? गीता, क्योंकि वो जी से आता है. ए, बी, सी, डी, ई, एफ, जी. जी से गीता आ गया. जी. उसके बाद क्या आ रहा है? एच, आई, जे, के. तो अब हम क्या लिखेंगे? थर्ड वर्ड कबीर. यस, के, कबीर. तो के, एल, एम, एन, ओ, पी आया. तो अब आपको क्या लिखना है? फिर कबीर के बाद पूजा. फिर उसके बाद कौन सा वर्ड बचता है? सुजाता. वो आ जाएगा लास्ट में. इस हिसाब से आपको ये वर्ड्स लिखने हैं सीक्वेंस वाइज, अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर से. दीज थ्री आर योर एक्सरसाइजेस. ओके, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस. Okay, so like this way we completed our lesson number 6. Understood, students? Lesson number 6 we finished, and you have to write all these exercises also, making new friends at school. Okay, thank you, students.